Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. How are you? Welcome to Gregor Speaks, GregorBear.com. And I have to throw this in, GregorSeasoning.com, because today is a seasoning day. I'm making all sorts of stuff today. I have boxes and boxes of seasoning I got to do. This is the chili one, which I said wasn't going to be available till September 1st. It's going to be a month early. And I have it ready by today, actually. Some taco seasoning, poultry and pork. Girl, I got it going on today. So, a lot of stuff. It's going to take me several hours. Been dealing with some marketing stuff and promo things for my lecture programs, and that's going to start kicking in high gear next month, Thursday, and a bunch of other things. So, just enjoying the day. It's a hot, muggy day again today in Chicago. It's sunny, few storms, but hanging out. Few people have reached out because I've mentioned this. I have a class reunion picnic that I've been hemming and hawing about going to or not going to. More so, it's about the 5-hour drive that I have to do to go there. But I have decided that I'm going to go see my classmates. You know, I ain't getting any younger, neither is anybody else. So I decided I'm going to go. That's going to be on August 10th. Not going to do any video there, by the way. I'm respecting everybody's personal space and everything. So, but I can give you a little recap of what's going on. My former school teacher, Miss Heaton, reached out today. And I gotta think what grade it was. I think it was 6th grade. She was my teacher. She shows up at the reunion. She's fabulous. So, and she follows me on Facebook. So, Kathy, if you're watching, Miss Heaton, hello. So that's all I have, but it's busy. I got a wine tasting event. It's called Let's Sip, kind of a Friends on Cork thing on Saturday, and that's going to be fun out in the burbs. But yeah, the next few weekends I think are pretty booked. So, and brother Doug, my brother, called me today. We talked for about an hour on the phone, and I'm so grateful that we can chat about our family experiences and what's going on in our lives and things like that. So we never could do that when we were younger. So it's been a blessing. So anyway, I hope you're well. I hope things are great wherever you're at. I would love to hear from you. Comment, share, like, all that good stuff. Let me know what's happening in your world. And you know, I love that you follow me. Subscribe, all that stuff like I mentioned, and follow me on either here on TikTok or Instagram, Facebook, for all of us older cats that are out there, and YouTube. So I appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day. You know, I'll probably talk to you in the next couple of days. That's all that's happening in my hood. I got some busy work to do, so I will talk to you soon. Thanks for checking in. Bye.